For these burritos, you can use whatever ingredients you want. I typically use frozen potatoes, onion, pre-cooked sausage crumbles, bell pepper, egg, cheese, hot sauce, and sour cream. To make the process quicker, I meal prep at the beginning of the week and chop up my onion and bell pepper. The first step is to add the potatoes, veggies, and spices to a pan on high heat and stir thoroughly. After 15 to 20 seconds, I add the sausage. Once the potatoes and veggies are almost all the way cooked, it's time to add the eggs. Once I crack the eggs, I quickly mix them up. At the same time, in a separate pan, I warm up a tortilla. When the eggs are almost done, add a sprinkle of cheese and mix in. Place the tortilla on a plate and grab the egg pan. It's time to transfer the eggs and potatoes to the tortilla. Top the burritos with a splash of hot sauce and some sour cream. To wrap the burritos, fold the bottom of the tortilla up, then grab the right side and bring to the middle. Do the same to the left side and flip over. The burrito is complete.